Hello students, I hope you all fine. In this video session, we are going to learn 7th Standard English Unit 1 Supplementary on Monday morning.
Hello children, today we are going to see Unit 1 Supplementary on Monday morning. Dear children, before going to see, let me ask you some question. How do you feel on Monday morning to go to school? Do you feel really happy to go to school on Monday morning? I hope you are all good children. But in this story, one boy hesitated to go to school on Monday morning. Let's see what the boy is doing and how he avoids the school on Monday. Let's see the author of this story, Mark Tivani. His real name was Samuel Langhoran Clemens. His pen name was Mark. Here, pen name means a name chosen by a writer to use instead of using real name when publishing books. He was born on 30th November 1835 in the small river town of Florida in Missouri. He was an internationally known American writer, humorist, publisher, and lecturer. Here, humorist means a person who writes funny stories. This story on Monday morning was adapted from The Adventure of Tom Sawyer. First, let us see the character of the story. There are four main characters here: Tom Sawyer, Sid and Polly, and Mary. I am going to tell you about the character of Tom Sawyer. Tom Sawyer. Tom Sawyer was the main character of the story. He was an orphan child. Here, orphan means a child whose parents are dead. So, he lived with his aunt. He was a mischievous boy. Mischievous means very naughty. He hated to go to school, but he loved fishing. He had a half-brother called Sid Sawyer. Half-brother means a brother who is the son of only one of your parents. Tom was the nephew of Sid and Polly. Nephew is the son of someone's brother or sister. He was a wonderful actor, good in telling lies, but he is scared of Aunt Polly and her disciplined actions. Next, I am going to tell you about the character of Aunt Polly. Aunt Polly was a guardian of Tom, Sid, and Mary. Aunt Polly loved them very much and she took good care of them. Next is about Sid Sawyer. Sid Sawyer was a younger brother of Tom. He loved Tom and believed his actions. Next is about Mary. Mary was the sweetest cousin and she was the niece of Aunt Polly. Niece is a daughter of someone's brother or sister. Dear students, shall we enter into the story? It was on Monday morning. Tom Sawyer was a schoolboy. He was feeling unhappy when Monday morning started. He felt nervous because he thought another week started. So Tom hated to go to school and Tom compared to his school to a prison. Here prison means jail. So he felt like going to prison on all Monday morning. Tom wanted to be sick, to stay at home and avoid going to school. So, he first wanted to complain on stomach pain, but it had a little success. Suddenly, he discovered new pain. One of his upper teeth was loose, but he thought once again, if he told about his loose tooth to his aunt, she would pull it out and that would hurt him. So he kept this plan reserved. Then Tom investigated another plan. Actually, Tom had early known that an injured tooth can keep one in bed for even 3 weeks. So he eagerly drew a sore tooth from under the sheet and held it for inspection. It seemed to him a painful disease, so he lifted his sore tooth up and started to groan loudly in an imaginary pain. First, Tom wanted his half-brother Sid to tell his aunt about his painful disease. But Sid slept very soundly, so Tom groaned again and again to wake up Sid sleeping behind him. Finally, Sid woke up and thinking Tom was really suffering for us. So Sid was upset with Tom's condition. Suddenly he went and informed to Aunt Polly that Tom had something wrong and he was going to die. Immediately Aunt Polly went to upstairs with Mary and Sid. When she saw him, she understood that he was pretending of dying so too, and she laughed in relief. Her pretending means make believe. So Aunt Polly did not believe Tom groaning because his tooth was not sore and he was not in a dying stage. So Tom now told his reserved plan, that was tooth pain. So Aunt Polly declared that the tooth should be removed. When Aunt Polly got ready to pull his tooth with silk thread and a chunk of fire, Tom panicked and confused that it does not hurt him anymore. He would go to school and not for fishing. So old Aunt Polly loved Tom's mischievous and she pulled his tooth in a crude way and relieved his tooth pain. Though Tom always tried to break her heart by mischievous. Dear children, Monday morning is the first day of week with a full of excitements. After weekends, we have to follow that daily routine. Wake up early, get ready for school. So like this, your week starts with excitements. So children, never hesitate to go to school on Monday morning. I hope you all understand the story, children. Now let's say the glossary. Panting. Panting means breathing quickly. Exertions. Exertion means effort. Aggravated. Aggravated means irritated. Snort. Snort means a cry made to show unhappiness. Anxiously. Anxiously means tensely. Loop. Loop means curve.